Hi, little piggies. How's the little piggies? How you doing? You just hamming it up, aren't you? Hamming it up. Oh, I thought it was funny. You two are gorgeous, big, disgusting looking pigs, aren't you? Yes, you were. Hello, Mr. Bull. How you doing? You having a nice day? Guess not. He doesn't take any bull from anybody. Spooky tree. Ooh. Where's the horsey? There's the horsey. How's the little horsey? Hi, little horsey. Wait, where are you going, horsey? You don't want to say hi? Oh well. I see your buddy over there. That's a crappy camera, so I'm not even going to bother to zoom in. Nay!